副词
Adverb.
Adverb.
还
Still.
Still.
还好
Fine.
Fine.
奶奶，您身体怎么样？奶奶，您身体怎么样？
How are you? Grandma.
How are you? Grandma.
还好
Fine.
Fine.
还行
Good.
Good.
你觉得这个计划怎么样？你觉得这个计划怎么样？
What do you think of this plan?
What do you think of this plan?
还行
Good.
Good.
还可以
It was okay. Can also.
It was okay. Can also.
这件衣服贵吗？这件衣服贵吗？
Is this dress expensive?
Is this dress expensive?
我觉得还可以
I think it is okay.
I think it is okay.
上网除了查资料、看视频、听音乐，还可以买东西。上网除了查资料、看视频、听音乐，还可以买东西。
In addition to searching for information, watching videos, listening to music, you can also buy things online.
In addition to searching for information, watching videos, listening to music, you can also buy things online.
还不错
Not bad.
Not bad.
我做的菜怎么样？
How about my cooking?
How about my cooking?
还不错，就是有点咸。还不错，就是有点咸。
It was okay. Just a bit salty.
It was okay. Just a bit salty.
还在
Still.
Still.
他在哪儿呢？
Where is she?
Where is she?
他还在图书馆学习。
She is still studying in the library.
She is still studying in the library.
他起床了吗？
Is he up?
Is he up?
他还在睡觉。
He is still sleeping.
He is still sleeping.
他们回来了吗？
Are they back?
Are they back?
还没。他们还在工作。还没。他们还在工作。
Not yet. They are still working.
Not yet. They are still working.
我已经向他道歉了，可是他还在生气。我已经向他道歉了，可是他还在生气。
I have apologized to him, but he is still angry.
I have apologized to him, but he is still angry.
还没。
Not yet.
Not yet.
我想去看这部电影。我想去看这部电影。
I want to see this movie.
I want to see this movie.
你买票了吗？你买票了吗？
Have you bought a ticket yet?
Have you bought a ticket yet?
还没有呢。还没有呢。
Not yet.
Not yet.
都已经9点了。他怎么还没来？都已经9点了。他怎么还没来？
It's already 9 o'clock. Why hasn't he come yet?
It's already 9 o'clock. Why hasn't he come yet?
演唱会就要开始了。他怎么还没到？演唱会就要开始了。他怎么还没到？
The concert is about to start. Why hasn't he arrived yet?
The concert is about to start. Why hasn't he arrived yet?
还不。还不。
Still not.
Still not.
明天有考试。你怎么还不学习？明天有考试。你怎么还不学习？
There is an exam tomorrow. Why don't you study?
There is an exam tomorrow. Why don't you study?
我很累。我想睡觉。我很累。我想睡觉。
I'm tired. I want to sleep.
I'm tired. I want to sleep.
你们俩已经拍拖很多年了，怎么还不结婚？你们俩已经拍拖很多年了，怎么还不结婚？
You two have been dating for many years. Why are you still not married?
You two have been dating for many years. Why are you still not married?
还有。还有。
Still have.
Still have.
还有多长时间开始？还有多长时间开始？
How long is it to start?
How long is it to start?
还有10分钟就要开始了。还有10分钟就要开始了。
There are still 10 minutes to start.
There are still 10 minutes to start.
你今天去不去打球？你今天去不去打球？
Will you go to play the ball today?
Will you go to play the ball today?
不去了。我还有很多作业要做。不去了。我还有很多作业要做。
No, I won't. I still have a lot of homework to do.
No, I won't. I still have a lot of homework to do.
你们还有什么问题吗？你们还有什么问题吗？
Do you have any questions?
Do you have any questions?
除了酒以外，你还有其他的饮料吗？除了酒以外，你还有其他的饮料吗？
Do you have other beverages besides wine?
Do you have other beverages besides wine?
还要。还要。
Still want.
Still want.
别玩手机了，明天还要上班呢。别玩手机了，明天还要上班呢。
Stop playing with your cell phone. You have to go to work tomorrow.
Stop playing with your cell phone. You have to go to work tomorrow.
还想。还想。
Still want.
Still want.
你还想吃什么？你还想吃什么？
What else do you want to eat?
What else do you want to eat?
炸薯条，炸薯条，
French fries.
French fries.
还能，还能，
Still can.
Still can.
你的腿受伤了，还能跑步吗？你的腿受伤了，还能跑步吗？
Your leg is injured. Can you still run?
Your leg is injured. Can you still run?
可以，没问题。可以，没问题。
Sure. No problem.
Sure. No problem.
还早，还早。
Still early.
Still early.
篮球比赛怎么还没开始？篮球比赛怎么还没开始？
Why hasn't the basketball game started yet?
Why hasn't the basketball game started yet?
还早呢，还早呢。
It's still early.
It's still early.
还差，还差。
Still short of.
Still short of.
还差2个杯子，你去拿一下。还差2个杯子，你去拿一下。
There are still 2 cups missing. Go get them.
There are still 2 cups missing. Go get them.
还是，还是。
Still.
Still.
他生病了，但是他还是去上班。他生病了，但是他还是去上班。
She is sick, but she still goes to work.
She is sick, but she still goes to work.
妈妈不让她去游泳，可是她还是去了。妈妈不让她去游泳，可是她还是去了。
His mother wouldn't let him go swimming, but he went anyway.
His mother wouldn't let him go swimming, but he went anyway.
连词，
Conjunction.
Conjunction.
还是，还是。
Or.
Or.
你要喝咖啡还是牛奶？你要喝咖啡还是牛奶？
Would you like coffee or milk?
Would you like coffee or milk?
你去公司是坐公共汽车还是开车？你去公司是坐公共汽车还是开车？
Do you go to the company by bus or by car?
Do you go to the company by bus or by car?
动词，
Verb.
Verb.
还，还。
Return.
Return.
这本书我是向小李借的，你能帮我还给他吗？这本书我是向小李借的，你能帮我还给他吗？
I borrowed this book from Xiao Li. Can you return it to him for me?
I borrowed this book from Xiao Li. Can you return it to him for me?
这笔钱是向我哥哥借的，等我有钱了就还给他。这笔钱是向我哥哥借的，等我有钱了就还给他。
This money was borrowed from my brother. I will return it to him when I have money.
This money was borrowed from my brother. I will return it to him when I have money.
谢谢观看。